Hi, friends. Good evening. Today's topic is how to enjoy working with people who energize me. So, we have few slides which you can see in your screen. I want to make it big. Let me see if I can. Yeah. So, how do I enjoy working with people who energize me? So let us deal like this. Why do capable mid career professionals feel stuck and they don't enjoy being with people? Rahul had a stable job, a good salary, and respect, yet every Monday felt heavier than the last. He wasn't failing, he was fading. The problem wasn't effort, it was emotional fatigue. Silently, his resilience was draining. The question is, if I am doing everything right, why do I still feel stuck? Then the method that we use, Revitalex, rebuilds inner resilience first, not hustle, but emotional stamina. When resilience returns, clarity follows. Clarity leads to confident action. That is the first seed of green wealth. Now, what is green wealth? Green wealth is which increases your inner resilience, which increases your emotional stamina without any further hustle. Only proving others is stopping there. It brings more clarity and more satisfaction in the people around you, which leads to create beneficial programs, which leads to creation of wealth. Uh, so, if you don't have a team which is efficient and very close to you, you cannot do anything profitable, right? So, think of that way. So, why do mid career professionals feel stuck? Is like one of the reason is fear. They are afraid of change. Why does fear increase with experience? It is like Kanika was brilliant at her work, but every big decision froze her. The more she achieved, the more she feared losing it. Fear isn't weakness, it is unacknowledged pressure. She hadn't accepted her own evolution. So, ask a question, why am I more afraid now than when I started? So, this is radical self acceptance, not settling, accepting growth phases. Acceptance dissolves internal conflict, conflicts drains energy, acceptance releases it. Released energy becomes investable green wealth. So, what blocks growth at mid career? One of the reason being like the incessant busyness that one has. So, time management is the key. Prakash's calendar was always full meetings, reviews, targets, calls, but his heart wasn't in any of them. Time was moving fast, meaning was standing still. He was managing time, not direction. Why does my day feel full but my life feel empty? So, here with Revitalex method, we will close a loop, reframe time as energy currency, stop spending time on drains, invest time in meanings. Meanings compound into fulfillment. Fulfillment sustains long term green wealth. What is Revitalex framework? It is resilience, uh, vision, then time management, acceptance, legacy, and expansion. How does that translate into our work? So, in each of the story that we have in our life, it is it is revolving around Revitalex without our knowledge. So how does resilience help in the Revitalex? It is one of the component, right? So it reframes time and everything as energy currency. Why is vision important now? Javed once dreamed of building something iconic. Now he just completed tasks efficiently. Not unhappy, just uninspired. Vision didn't disappear, it went dormant. No one taught him how to renew it. So, where did vision go then? It is like Revitalex, it ignites vision without forcing change. Vision reconnects you to contribution. Contribution fuels motivation. Motivation creates momentum, and momentum builds sustainable green wealth. How does time mastery creates freedom? So that is when one is successful, success starts feeling heavy. Karan was climbing fast, responsibility kept increasing, so did stress and burnout. Success felt like a burden, not freedom. He was expanding roles, not capacity. So, why does growth feels exhausting instead of exciting? So, Revitalex expands inner capacity fast. You grow who you are, not just what you do. Expansion becomes natural, not forced. Natural growth prevents burnout. Burnout free growth preserves green wealth. How does acceptance unlock? So, it is like what my work means. For some people, it is wastage. For you, it is the work of 10 years. So, accept what other people say, but reject internally. You have to accept yourself first. What is legacy thinking? It is like Arvind had decades of experience, yet he wondered what it all added up to. Titles change, salaries stop, but impact remains. He didn't want more success, he wanted significance. Legacy was calling softly. When all this ends, what will remain? That is the core question. So, it shifts focus from achievement to legacy. Legacy aligns work with values. Values create purpose driven income. Purpose sustains energy and relevance. That is green wealth. What does expansion look in action? It is like two professionals earn the same income. One felt drained, the other fulfilled. The difference wasn't money, it was alignment, inner and outer. One had wealth, the other had green wealth. What kind of wealth actually lasts? Revitalex integrates resilience, vision, time, acceptance, legacy, expansion. Green wealth compounds emotionally, professionally, and financially. It grows, burning you out, and it doesn't uh, expect you to quit your job. And it actually aligns success with sustainability, and that is what wealth is. So, hi, I am Sangeeta. I teach revitalex approach in our daily work to create our ordinary work into a legacy work. Actually, every work is very important, and with our flavor, it actually creates a legacy people would like to follow. So, if you want more of it, then please join our Sunday session in the CTA. The link is given, and please ask me also for the Zoom link for the Sunday session. Thank you for watching.